Let's see our Ai-30 unboxing video. First, we will see calibrator. Each scanner is equipped with a calibrator. It is recommended to calibrate the scanner once every 2 weeks. The whole process is about 1 minute. Secondly, we see scanner body. Weight is 156 grams. Using dual lens cameras effectively enhances the scanning speed and accuracy. Equipped with a soft protective cover, it effectively protects the lens. Next, let's see scanner tips. One scanner will be equipped with 3 standard tips, each with a size of 16-15 mm, and 1 mini tip with size of 12-10 mm. Standard tip caters to most application scenarios and has a wider scanning range. Mini tip is suitable for kids. Adapted to the size of a child's mouth, providing better comfort. Standard tip versus mini tip. Next we see Type-C cable. Our scanner can be directly connected via Type-C connection or hub connection. Now we show Type-C connection. Type-C connection is simple and convenient. And then we see cradle, which use for placing the scanner when we have a break after using it. Stable and convenient. Next is hub. When your computer's configuration is relatively low, we recommend using hub connection. Hub connection need adapter and another cable. The cable is connected to the hub on one side and to the computer on the other side. Adapter is connected hub in one side and to power socket on the other side. The plug will be configured according to the standards of a specific country. Let's see how to use hub connection. Based on the shape of the socket, find the appropriate position for connection. This step also need to use Type-C cable. One side connects with hub, another side connects with scanner. At final, plug the plug into the power source and connect the cable to the computer. We will give you a USB stick which contains various operation instructions for the scanner. Our scanner box is also equipped with a portable belt. When you need to take the scanner going out but don't want to carry it by hand, you can use the portable belt to easily carry the scanner. You can also put the belt back into the box when you finish using it.